that like? When you finally said, you know what, I'm ready to go. I know it wasn't about the ultimate money situation. It was about the big picture. What led to that?
Honestly, so I loved the trucking transportation industry as a whole. I made some very good relationships within the industry. Everything was good, but I think it was more or less the timing of when to make the change. So if money is not coming in and you don't see yourself on an uptick, you start to get a little complacent, you start to get a little, not self-fulfilled. And I felt that at that point in time, the transition period could not have been better because I like to be a perfectionist. I like to be the best at what it is, whether that's sports or whatever. I want to be the best at whatever it is. So when you're not reaching that type of level in an industry that you felt you were going up on that swing and then it just goes down, there was not a better time to then venture into something new to where you're starting at ground one. You're starting at the ground. The only way to go is up. So I felt after a lot of thought and a lot of pros and cons, that was the decision that was made, and thankful.
Good.